Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to fix Roblox cursor going off screen on a PC. Let's fix it guys. Unfortunately, there is not one solution that works for everybody. So you need to try each of these steps to find the one that works for you. First step, you just need to check full screen mode. Open up Roblox. You just need to press the escape key and go to settings. Full screen, set this to on. If already enabled, try setting full screen to off and play in window mode and check if the problem solved or not. If the problem not solved, second step, you just need to scroll up, shift lock switch. You just need to turn on it. This feature may not available in all games guys. Third step, you just need to adjust display settings. To do this, you just need to right click on the desktop and select display settings. Click on this drop down in scale and set this to 100%, and display resolution, click on this drop down and you just need to select the resolution matches your monitor's native resolution. After that, just to close stuff here, and you just need to open up Roblox and go to settings, and we just need to graphics mode, set this to automatic and check if the problem solved or not. If the problem not solved, fourth step, you just need to check multi-monitor setup. If you are using multiple monitors, then you just need to ensure Roblox is running on the primary display. Disable additional monitors temporarily to check if the issue persists. You can use the Windows key and P key together to toggle between display modes. Fifth step, you just need to reset the camera and movement mode. To do this, you just need to scroll up and set this camera mode to classic, and movement mode, set this to keyboard plus mouse. And after setting this, resume the game and check if the problem solved or not. If the problem not solved, sixth step, you just need to update your graphics drivers. To do this, for NVIDIA users, use the GeForce Experience. If you not have GeForce Experience installed in your PC, then check my video description for the download link. For AMD users, use the AMD Write-On software. Select the drivers tab and select check for updates. If you have any available update listed over here, then you just need to update it and make your graphics card up to date guys. After updating your graphics card, you can go back to Roblox and check if the problem solved or not. If the problem not solved, seventh step, you just need to disable overlays. Overlays from apps like Discord, Steam or GeForce Experience can interfere with Roblox. You just need to disable Discord, Steam and NVIDIA. After that, you can play Roblox and check if the problem solved or not. I hope one of these steps fixed your problem. If the video helped you, don't forget to leave a like guys. You can also subscribe me and support me guys. Thank you.